Okay, so another expected chilly weekend is here. It's the end of the week. And what could be easier than working with two wonderful dump recipes from the Crock-Pot book? And I'm going to share them with you now. And one is called Easy Beef Burgundy, and the other is Slow Cooked Beef Brisket Dinner. So if you have a pen, I'll try to read it slowly and clearly for you. Here is what you're going to need: 1.5 pounds of cubed beef stew meat, 1 can, 10 3/4 ounces of condensed cream of mushroom, undiluted, 1 cup of dry red wine, 1 onion chopped, 1 can, 4 ounces of sliced mushrooms drained, 1 package, about an ounce, of dry onion soup mix, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and of course, optionally, you could have some hot cooked noodles on the side. Combine the beef, the soup, the wine, the onion, the mushrooms, the soup mix, and garlic in your slow cooker. Cover, cook on low, 6 to 8 hours. Serve this over noodles if desired, and this will yield 4 to 6 servings. Next, you may consider this on the weekend: slow cooked beef brisket dinner. Here's what you're going to need: 1 beef brisket, 4 pounds, sliced into serving slices, 4 to 6 medium potatoes, cut into 1 inch cubes, 6 carrots, cut into 1 inch pieces, 8 ounces of mushroom sliced, 1/3 of a large onion sliced, 1 stalk celery, cut into 1 inch pieces, 3 cubes of beef bouillon, 5 cloves of garlic crushed, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, 2 whole bay leaves, chopped fresh Italian parsley, optional. Here's what you're going to do: you're going to combine the brisket, the potatoes, carrots, mushroom, onion, celery, bouillon cubes, garlic, peppercorns, and the bay leaves in your slow cooker. You're going to add enough water to cover the ingredients. You're going to cover it, cook this on low, 3 to 4 hours. Remove and discard the bay leaves. Serve the beef with vegetables. Garnish with parsley. And this will yield a lot of servings, 8 to 10 servings. So it's one of those situations where you really do get a lot of bang for your buck. You could always freeze it. There you go, and have it ready. Or just let it stay in your fridge a couple days, and somehow magically soup tastes better, or meals like this taste better like a day later because the flavors marry. Then you just heat and eat. So you're going to grandparent it into other things as well. I like meals like this. It sure beats single serve meals. I'm not putting it down, but single serve meals come in handy. You could even make your own version of single serve meals by getting single serve trays and freezing these items. So there are those nights when no one else is home but yourself, and you just want to park yourself in front of your television or your computer. You just want to just heat, sit down, eat, no fuss, no muss. Hey, wishing everyone an amazing upcoming weekend, and everyone take good care now. Bye bye.